Welcome to your English learning adventure. Get ready to listen, learn new words, and have fun practicing English. Before you watch, make sure to subscribe. It tells YouTube you like this content, and they'll recommend it to more people like you. Let's grow together.
Jack, hurry up. Look at the time. It is already 2:30 p.m. Our flight is at 4 p.m.
I'm trying, Emma. These suitcases are really heavy. Why did we leave the house so late?
Because you couldn't find your car keys, remember? We wasted 20 minutes looking under the sofa.
Okay, my mistake. But we are here now. We just need to find the entrance.
The sign says international departures is that way. Follow me.
Wait, did you check the flight status on your phone? Is the flight on time?
Yes, it says on time, but the check-in desk closes 40 minutes before the flight. We only have 50 minutes.
Oh no, we need to run. If we miss this flight, we lose our vacation in Spain.
I don't want to think about that. Keep moving.
Wow, this airport is huge. I feel lost. Where is our airline?
I don't see it on the first screen. Let's look at the departures board over there.
Let's see. Flight EK204, destination Madrid. It says Terminal 3, Row B.
Terminal 3? But we're in Terminal 2.
Are you serious? How do we get to Terminal 3?
Excuse me, sir. Could you help us? Which way is Terminal 3?
You need to take the airport shuttle train. It's upstairs. It takes about 5 minutes.
Thank you so much. Jack, let's go to the elevator.
The elevator is full. Let's take the stairs.
With these big bags? Are you crazy? Fine, let's take the escalator.
Which row did the board say?
Row B. Please, try to stay focused, Jack.
Good afternoon. Where are you flying to today?
Good afternoon. We are going to Madrid.
May I see your passports and booking reference, please?
Yes, here they are.
Thank you. How many bags are you checking in?
2 large suitcases, and we have 2 carry-on bags.
Please place the first suitcase on the scale.
I hope it's not too heavy. I told you not to pack those extra shoes.
It's fine, Emma. It's just clothes and some souvenirs.
This bag is 22 kilograms. That's perfect. Now the second one, please. Oh, I am sorry. This bag is 28 kilograms. The limit is 23 kilograms.
28? That's impossible.
I'm afraid it is overweight. You have 2 options. You can pay an extra baggage fee of $50, or you can take some items out.
$50? Jack, I told you. Open the bag now. We are not paying $50.
This is so embarrassing. Everyone is looking at us.
Then move faster. Take out that heavy coat and your laptop charger.
Okay, I'm putting the coat in my carry-on bag. Is it okay now?
23.5 kilograms. I can accept that. It's close enough.
Thank you. Can we have window seats, please?
Let me check. Yes, I have 2 seats together by the window. Here are your boarding passes. Gate 42. Boarding starts in 15 minutes.
15 minutes? We still have security check.
My legs are hurting. Why is gate 42 so far?
Stop complaining. Look at the sign. Security check is right there.
Look at that line. It's huge. We are never going to make it.
We have to try. Let's go to the fast track if we can.
No, that's only for first-class passengers. We have to wait.
Excuse me? Our flight is boarding very soon. Is it okay if we go ahead?
I'm sorry, but I am also late for my flight to Paris.
Oh, okay. I understand.
Emma, look. There's another line opening. Let's go there.
Please remove your belts, watches, and jackets. Empty your pockets.
Okay, belt is off, wallet is in the bin, keys are in the bin.
Don't forget your liquids, Jack. They must be in a clear bag.
I don't have any liquids. Wait, I have a bottle of water.
Sorry, sir. You cannot take that bottle through security. You must throw it away.
Okay, done.
Step back, please. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, I emptied everything.
Did you take off your shoes? Sometimes shoes have metal.
Oh, my boots. I forgot. Sorry.
You are clear. Collect your items quickly.
Which way is gate 42? I see gate 1 to 20 that way.
The sign says 21 to 50 is to the left. Let's go.
Wait, is this the right gate? This sign says gate 42A.
No, that's for a flight to Berlin. We need gate 42B.
There it is. But wait, why is nobody there?
Did we miss it? Oh my God, the gate is empty.
Look at the screen. Gate changed to gate 55.
Are you kidding me? Gate 55 is on the other side of the building.
Run, Emma. Run like the wind.
Last calling for passengers Emma Miller and Jack Wilson for flight EK 204 to Madrid. Please proceed to gate 55 immediately. The doors are closing.
That's us. They are calling our names.
I can't breathe. Too much running.
Don't stop now, Jack. I see the gate. I see the staff.
Wait for us. We are here.
Are you Mr. Wilson and Ms. Miller?
Yes, we are.
You are very lucky. We were just about to close the flight. Can I see your boarding passes one last time?
Oh no. Where is it? I had it in my hand.
Jack, please tell me you didn't lose it.
Found it. It was in my back pocket.
Thank you. Go ahead. The plane is waiting.
We made it. I can't believe it.
My heart is beating so fast. That was like an action movie.
Next time, we are leaving the house 4 hours early. No excuses.
Agreed. But look, we have a great view of the wing.
Would you like a drink or a snack to start your flight?
Yes, please. I need a very cold water. I am exhausted.
And I need a coffee. I need to wake up after all that stress.
We are finally going to Spain, Emma. Think about the beach and the sun.
You're right. It was worth the run.
Look, Emma, the plane is moving. We are taking off.
I love this part. The city looks so small from up here.
Goodbye, rain. Hello, sunshine.
I'm so excited. We have a whole week of relaxation ahead of us.
Did you bring the hotel address?
Yes, it's in my bag, and I have the map downloaded too.
Great. You are the best at planning, Emma, even if we are a bit late sometimes.
Just a bit? Let's just enjoy the flight.
Happy holidays, Emma.
Happy holidays, Jack.
Great job, everyone! Now it's time to learn some new words from our story. Welcome to vocabulary time. Let's look at some words, their meanings, and examples.
Elevator. A machine that carries people up or down in a building. Example, the elevator is full, so they can't use it. Escalator, moving stairs that take people up or down. Example, they take the escalator to reach another terminal. Departures, the area for flights leaving the airport. Example, they look at the departures board inside the terminal. Scale, a machine that shows weight. Example, the agent puts the suitcase on the scale. Embarrassing, making you feel uncomfortable or shy. Example, opening the suitcase on the floor is embarrassing for Jack. Liquids, drinks or fluids like water or shampoo. Example, liquids must be in a clear bag at security. Useful expressions. Get ready. Here are some powerful expressions from today's conversation. Use them to level up your English and speak more naturally, just like a native. Are you kidding me? Showing surprise or shock. Example, are you kidding me? Gate 55? We made it. We arrived successfully. Example, we made it. The plane is still here. International departures, the area of an airport for flights to other countries. Example, the sign says international departures is that way. Wasted time. Time used badly or without a good result. Example, we wasted 20 minutes looking for the car keys. Carry-on bag, a small bag you take with you onto the plane. Example, Jack puts the coat into his carry-on bag. Baggage fee, meaning extra money you pay for heavy or extra bags. Example, we don't want to pay a baggage fee. Now it's time to check your understanding. Let's answer a few questions about the conversation you just heard. Listen carefully and try to remember the details. You can pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's go.
Where are Emma and Jack at the beginning of the story? They are outside the airport terminal. Why did they leave the house late? Because Jack couldn't find his car keys. Why is the second suitcase a problem? Because it is overweight. What problem does Jack have at security check? He forgets to take off his boots.
Great job so far. Now it's your turn to speak. In this section, you'll answer some open-ended speaking questions related to today's topic. Try to speak out loud and use the new words and expressions you learned. Remember, don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes progress.
What would you do if your bag was overweight at the airport? I would take some items out or pay the extra fee. Have you ever been late for a flight or a bus? What happened? Yes, I was late once, but I caught it in the end. What is the most stressful part of traveling for you? The security check and waiting in long lines.
My dear friend, our English lesson is over today. Active listening will make you progress. Don't forget to practice. You need to practice to become strong. Want to master Learn English? You're missing out if you're not subscribed. I upload new tips and tricks every day that will take your skills to the next level. Subscribe now and never fall behind. Good luck. Goodbye.